here with our buddy Lorenzo from the REIDS Outdoors. It's been a fun day full of action. We started at Cross Bay Bridge and we ended at what is Little Neck Bay?
Yeah, Little Neck Bay.
Lorenzo here caught what, 6 or 7? Yeah, he was on a roll today, but it was definitely a fun day. We caught some nice coolies here. It ended up it was actually a very windy day, but it ended up being a nice day after all, with the sun coming up. So I'm sure Lorenzo will have some cool videos coming out. Can't wait to see them.
Yeah, man, it was a fun day. Can't believe how hot it got, especially with how windy it was. But yeah, caught a couple schoolies. Still was slow, even with all the fish we caught, but we got on him a little bit.
Yeah.
He got his first striper. Love to see it. Yeah. Came over here to Little Neck. Luckily, the wind's on the back of us, getting blocked. The water's a little calm. But I like it a little better when it's windy in here because the fish bite a lot better. But yeah, it was a great day, all in all.
Yeah,
we used a lot of different baits, glowworms, sandworms, clams. They hit everything. We caught fish on everything. But yeah, it was crazy. Great day though. Great day.
Yes, it was definitely a great day. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and check out our channels at the REIDS Outdoors and Rocksoy Outdoors. Until next time.
Peace. Got him? Nice.
It's a beautiful Sunday. We're here trying out some schoolies, hoping some flounders. Our boat trip got cancelled today, so we decided to hit the shores, try test out some schoolies. I'm here with Lorenzo from the REIDS Outdoors, fishing here using some fresh clams and bloodworms. See if we catch any nice stripers or schoolies.
Got him? Nice. He's holding right in on that thing, so that's that first.
What is that?
Nice.
Nice. Up. Yo! My first striper actually.
Really?
Yeah, I never got a striper here.
Nice little school too.
Yeah.
Right away. That's crazy. I see you look up, you're like, wait.
Yeah, first
Nice.
striper here across the ridge. Thanks, bro.
No problem.
All right. Lorenzo in action. Fish on?
Oh my goodness. Wow. I didn't see the fight the line.
That's a record right there.
Oh no, I got Hudson. Wasn't Hudson River that was like 50.
Still fun catching.
Yo, that's crazy. That's amazing.
That's it.
I've barely seen the ride like really moving. Fish are here. Got a little fight in them though.
Lorenzo in action again.
I think so. Just hit the center. I'll be like clam too. Yeah, so that's yeah, straight bass. She said sea bass first. The schoolie. Grandpa.
Nice schoolie.
Hooked twice. The same hook. He was going nowhere. A little schoolie. I know you guys are getting sick of these little guys. I'm trying to get a big one now.
Is it?
Yow. Yo, he smacked that. Yo. It fell over, it got bit. Looked like he was about to take the ride. Oh yeah. Oh, you missed him? He came back for it. Dang. Yo, every time you turn around.
Go fuck.
I can rush you down, man. Hey, let's go. Another striper? Schoolie? That's on the clam, right?
That's on the clam.
They definitely here. Oh, you on his line? Another schoolie. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Your second striper. Yeah, I don't understand it. My man Ralph with his second schoolie.
Come on, guys. Right. Good.
Oh my god.
Too small, man.
Too small.
Too small.
Feels good?
They're just fighting really hard. So a little bigger than the mother one. Don't feel cute. Really fighting. On top of the water. Yo, now this one's getting hit. There's a school coming, you better watch your run. Coming through right now. I got him hooked.
Yo, this one's hitting. They're hitting this one
Yeah,
too.
I know, I hooked him already. I hooked it. Remember I told you it's gonna start getting crazy 2 rounds in one.
That's a nice one. Nicer one.
Put it right down.
Yeah. Definitely bigger.
Ah, he biting me. Back. I just picked the round up and I hooked him. Yeah, bigger, closer.